Hey, it's Chels, and today I'm going to show you guys how I did a twist out on my hair using only Eden Bodyworks products. After washing and conditioning off camera, I used their natural deep conditioner with jojoba and monoi, and it smells amazing. After working it through my hair, I left it in for about 30 minutes under a heated dryer, then rinsed thoroughly. For my twists, I use Eden Bodyworks leave-in conditioner with coconut and shea and their curl defining cream, also with coconut and shea. Now, I also use coconut oil to seal my ends. I don't really care for heavy oils since I have fine to thin hair strands. Okay, so the next morning I took down my twists and the definition was amazing. My hair was extremely soft too, and I just loved it. Eden Bodyworks is pretty affordable and the amount of product that they give you is great. This is my hair after fluffing, and you can tell that the definition is still pretty much there. So I really recommend these products. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.